Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook profile picture without posting. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. First of all, you need to open your Facebook application and then at the bottom right click on the menu icon, here it is, and then you need to click on your profile name, here it is. After that, in this interface you need to click on your profile image button. There can be add profile picture, like in my situation. Then you need to click on the select profile picture, and then you need to choose any photo from your iPhone gallery. So as for me, I will choose this one. Then you can click on the edit button and change some settings here. Maybe if you want, you can add text or stickers. Then click on the next button. After that, at the top right, you need to click on the save button. Here it is. After that, if you see this message, you can click on the not now, for example. Then you need to scroll down and find your post with your new profile image. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of this post. Then edit privacy. And then you need to choose only me. After that, click on the done button at the top right. So after that, no one will be able to see this post about your new profile picture. So that's all, and that's how to change Facebook profile picture without posting. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.